So, hello everyone and good day. So, first, first of all, gonna do is I will just introduce myself. So, my name is Diana Grace Martavo and I am from BSMK 1. And for today, I'm here to talk about a technological issues that I choose, like technological issues that affects almost all of us, like especially to students. The impact of technology on the mental health, like kung ano yung mga nagiging epekto nito sa lahat ng tao, even sa students. So, technology has become part of our lives or our daily lives. Hindi tayo makakatulog or makaka like makakaano ng mga bagay-bagay kung di natin gamit yung phone natin. Like, parang yung iba hindi sila mabubuhay nung walang technology or cellphone. Yeah, it's okay naman. Yeah, nakakaganda rin siya sa atin kasi meron tayong technology. Pero minsan, ano na rin, nakakapekto na rin sa atin yung mental health natin. Ganyan, nagkakaroon na tayo ng mga anxiety like that. But we use technology, we use it for our studying or communicating with our friends, for entertainment, and even relaxation, like manunod ka ng movies or anything na pwede mong panoorin na gusto mo. Kaya maganda rin siya. But while technology brings many benefits also, it's excessive and unhealthy use. So, meron ding benefits yung technology natin. Like, um, let's us recognize that technology is not just entirely bad. Meron din siyang good, yeah, hindi lang bad. The technology helps students in many ways, like online learning platforms and make educational for accessible. Like social media, like it allows us to stay connected with our friends, family, like that, like stuff, like pwede natin makausap sila kapag malayo sila sa atin, ganun. And also, siya, di tayo maboboard, ganyan. Pwede tayo maglaro, manood ng movie, ganyan. Hindi lang totally bad ang technology. Hindi naman siya the rest ganun agad. So, meron din naman siya negative effects. Yung sobra sa paggamit ng technology, ganyan, nagkakaroon na ng